cold.
Please help! The storm is too dark! Ninth Parasaurolophus cannot see the dry cave!
Hero Rescue Team! Dinosaur Rescue!
Today is time to learn the number 9.
Prehistoric emergency.
Baby dinosaurs are freezing in a rainstorm. The baby dinosaurs are lost in the dark. Blaze Red will drive Truck Red to help the dinosaurs cross the mud puddle. Move out! Entering the time portal to the rainstorm.
The rescue vehicles have arrived. The rain is very heavy.
Activating scanner to find the lost baby dinosaurs in the dark.
Target's locked. The dinosaurs are freezing in the mud puddle. Time to count. Hero Rescue Team must save all the baby dinosaurs.
1. First Parasaur, 2. Second Parasaur, 3. Third Parasaur, 4. Fourth.
5. Fifth Parasaurolophus. 6. Sixth Parasaurolophus. 7. Seventh Parasaurolophus. 8. Eighth Parasaurolophus. 9. Freezing dinosaurs.
AeroPink is turning on the giant spotlight of CopterPink. Look, the light points to the dry cave. The dry cave is warm and safe.
The light is so bright. First Parasaurolophus can see the way!
Keep moving. Follow the bright light to the dry cave. Ranger Blue is right behind you. Keep walking.
The H-Reed dinosaurs are safe inside.
SIX dinosaurs are safe inside.
All N9 dinosaurs are safe and warm. Thank you, Hero Rescue Team. The dry cave is very warm.
Mission complete. Hero Rescue Team counted N9 baby dinosaurs.
Great job! That is the number 9. Hero Rescue Team. Dinosaur Rescue.
Oh no! A massive flood! TEN giant dinosaurs are trapped on the sinking island.